First quarter, Cebu versus Cruz Roja. Dito ginaganap sa Katikip Norte Gym.
Manyo pull up pero black na only jersey number 7 2 jersey number 7 2 points.
Unang puntos para sa Cruz Roja. Kalaban nila yung mga kabarangay ko sa Cebu.
Atay de pass in the corner. Pero Manyo Ariza, pero Sinasa.
Usap kayo, usap. Usap sa loob, usap tayo. Usap tayo sa loob.
Wait lang po. Naglolo ko po yung scoreboard.
Audience check. Kasi yan ang audience yun sa Mataga Cruz Roja. Yung sa baba, to the ball game, nagkaroon lang ng konting technical difficulty dito sa scoreboard.
Ito daw po,
Ayan.
Sorry yan. Dribbling the ball. Sorry yan for 3. No good. Dribble by Ponce. Ponce to Ariza. Pass to Amba. Amba drives. Amba no good. Dribble by Amba Barrera. 2 points. Atayde speed. Pass to Soriano. No good. Dribble by Amba. Amba drives, pero Ariza, 2 points. Now, jersey number 30. First personal foul, first team foul. Ariza, Atayde. Pass to Santeguillo. Bumuot. Wala. Nawani. Ponce. Pass to Ariza. Ariza to Amba. Atayde. Atayde umigot suwalaksak pero wala. Nawani. Ariza. Pass to Amba. 2. Still by Manyo. Manyo. 2. Montron pass to Soriano. Soriano to Santeguillo. Nogi. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to Manyo. Manyo nagmamadali pero may foul.
Anak ni
Jersey
Ate May
number
pala yun.
20.
Ate May Lynn Caballero, shout out.
First personal foul. First team foul. Soriano inbounding the ball. Last 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Atayde for 3. Nogi. Rebound by Ariza. Pass to Kamano. Kamano to jersey number 12. 2. Wala na wani. Montron. Montron nagmamadali. Montron Nogi. Rebound by Manyo. 15 seconds shot lang. Manyo for 3. Wala pa rin nawan ni Ponce. Ponce to Ariza. Reserve sa Ariza to Amba. Amba to Ariza to Mira ng 3 rebounds. Score 13-0. Manyo. Pass to Atayde. Atayde 2 points.
Unang puntos para sa Cebu. Score is 2-13. We still have 6 minutes left. The first quarter.
to Amba. Amba fix. Amba drives. Wala na wani. Amba. 2 points. Atayde. Pero may foul. Jersey number 26. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sabrip. Atayde. 2. Montron, 3 of shot. No. 3 ball by. 2 balls. Santay Guillo. Serves up. Ariza. 2. Jersey number 12. Tumira masuk. 2 points. Atayde. Leaving the ball pass to Montron. Speed Montron. Wala. Rebound by Santay Guillo. Pero may foul. Jersey number 5. Sabre. Santay Guillo. Wala. Second throw. Pasok.
4 points. Score is 4-17. We still have 5 minutes left in the first quarter of the game. Kabu
Sumalaksa.
versus Cruz Roja.
Pina sa kanina. Gano'n ay Kamano Hambo. Wala. Rebound by Santay Guillo. Pass 2. Montron to Soriano. 2. Montron. Pass to Atayde. Pass to Banyo in the corner. Rebound by Laguilles. Pass to Ariza. 2. Kamano. Pass to Ariza again for 3. 3 points. Is scored. 5:20. Horas, 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Atayde to Soriano. Soriano drives. Pass to Manyo. Very still by Kamano. Kamano and now. Pass to Ariza. Still by Atayde. Atayde to Manyo for 3. 3 points. Laguilles.
Now is 8-20.
To Ariza.
Eighth player niyo na
Ariza. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Pero, wala na. Barangay Kabu. Score 8-20. Atayde. Atayde pass to Banyo again for 3. Wala. Rebound by Montron. 2 goals.
Score is 10-20. We can only have 4 minutes
Ariza.
left.
To jersey number 11 back to Ariza.
First quarter pa lang naman. Anybody's ball game pa rin.
Kamano drives. Pull up. Dogo. Rebound by Laguilles. To Amano. Pero may foul. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots. Sabrip. Atayde. Atayde. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. Wala na wani. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 11. Sumalaksak pero wala na wani. Atayde. Pero naglakad sa buwang. Robin. Jersey number 11. Last two, Ataide reserves up. Ataide to Manyo. Manyo full of jumper, 2 points. He scored 12-22. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 11. 2. Number 12 back to jersey number 1. Rives. Gonna check. Now one in. Soriano. Pass to Manyo. Manyo drives. Wala. Nakakuha ni. Jersey number 1 to Arisa. 2 points. Reserve timeout. Barangay Kabu. At Hayden. Pass to Soriano. To Manyo. To Soriano for 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni. Lagi. Santay Guillo. 2 points. Jersey number 1. Pass to Arisa. 2. Jersey number 12. 2. Jersey number 1. Foul. Basket. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 18. 13. Timeout. Barangay Kabu. We score 14-26.
1 minute and 44 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Lapit na mayari ang first quarter. We can only have 1 minute and 44 seconds left. Score is 14-26. Lamang ng 12 ang Cruz laban sa Kabu.
Duria.
Galing kami kanina ng Cruz Roa, akala namin ito gaganapin. Dito pala sa Kalikid Norte. Naligaw kami kanina.
Wala. Rebound by Santay Guillo. Pass to Ataide. Ataide. Oras. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pero. Jersey number. Dito. Hey. Bro. Warning for penalty. Duria. Delivering the ball. Pass to Duria. Wala. Narubang di. Santay Guillo. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ataide sumalaksak pero may foul. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Third team foul. Sabrep. Oras 1 minute and 7 seconds. Ataide. Ataide is still by Duria. Duria. Wow, 2 points. Ataide. 50 seconds. Ataide pa rin. Pass to Ataide. Pero. Wow, just the number.
Ayaw mo na?
First personal foul. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 43 seconds. Pass to Santay Guillo. 2 points. Fuyan pass to Duria. Duria 2. Drives Nagu. Rebound by Ataide. Last 20 seconds. Manyo block. Rebound by Santay Guillo. Nagu. Rebound by Dos Reyes. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Santay Guillo 2. Reyes 2. Ataide. End of the first quarter. Score 16-28 in favor of Cruz Roja.